Okay, I've got everything set up. I'm getting everything ready to like just put everything out on the table so I can have everything sorted and just get all the parts to where I can see them and organize. So once I start, I have access to everything. Here we have it, everything laid out, ready to go, and I'm really keen to get it started. Now for this build I did actually have to use another YouTube video to help me, to instruct me on things to do. Plus I also use the manual that comes with the 3D printer. It's on a USB disk drive, and you can also download the manual from on the Creative website. Plus they have their own video as well. So these are things that can help you build. Alright, everything's ready and I'm going to start the build. I've got all the tools that we need, all the screws and that set out, and I've double checked all the components and everything is there. Just like that, we have a completed 3D printer. It took me a little while. If you're patient, it's not too hard to set up. I turn it on. This is my first time to turn it on and it works. I'm pretty happy. Now I'm only a beginner when it comes to 3D printing. I am absolutely a noob, sorry. This is just the first time I've ever had an experience with a 3D printer and I found the process really easy. This is my first print, my first test print, and I am happy with the results. And there you go, first print done. I'm pretty happy with it. It's going to be the first of many. There are little rough points on it here or there, but that's just, they come off pretty easily, and anything that I think you can sand them off or file them off, sorry. Yeah, but at the end of the day, I'm very happy.